Ugochi na-aga n'ihu. Biko ka anyị gbakọ kịta wee kelee n'eze eze adịghị adị Ezeana Ugochi Tubelu nwoke ọma na Oraifite ị ga-adị ọdịnala bụ eziokwu ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ ịma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chegharịa ụmụ Igbo chigharịa kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi Ezeana Ugochi Tubelu onye ọma na Oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala agaba n'ihu Ezeana Ugochi Tubelu onye mmanya ji eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Ezeana Ugochi Tubelu onye ọma na Oraifite onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala agaba n'ihu Ezeana Ugochi Tubelu onye mmanya ji eme ọnụ ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu Ezeana ga-adị Ugochi Tubelu ga-adị Ugochi Tubelu temple ọ ya adị maka na eziokwu anwa chacha ndị okenye anyị front and back ndị oche anyị front and back fọdụ asị kara aka gwara ụmụ Igbo si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke feka mma buru Baịbụl bịa akwụkwọ akụkọ mepekwa chọọchị fa okpuru ụka bịakwa mmadụ Ugochi Tubelu ekweghị ekwe Ezeana si na ọma mgbe ọdịnala ọma nwụchacha oge ọbụla ọ na-eti ọ nọ na nkụzi Chukwu abịa ma gbaa ume ọdịnala ya dị
ụtụtụ ọma nụ ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo a ga-abụkwa onye nke gị Ogbuefi Ezeana Ugochi Tubelu na Oraifite abụ m onye isi oche n'oge awa nke eziokwu oge anyị ji awa eziokwu niile aba abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja Ugochi Tubelu na temple nke dị na Oraifite na Anambra steeti anyị na-agba afọ ma afa mmiri emi n'ụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala restoration prayer ministry bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo you can call me an ọdịnala evangelist I will answer n'ụbọchị taa bụ nkwọ a sị na nkwọ ya pụtara anyị ihe ọma a sị m onye echeche ihe ọjọọ ọ ga-eme ndị enyi m na ndị na-esonyere anyị n'oge awa nke eziokwu a sị m na onye a ga-enwe ọdachi etu a nsị ya ka ọ ga-esi mee nwoke anyị ekwuwasịwe nwaanyị anyị ekwuwasịwe ise n'ụbọchị taa isiokwu anyị ji bịa bụ engaging in crime nso-ana can never make you rich. Gee ntị ma gee ntị nke ọma esi m oru wee bịa ihe ị ga-amụta taa ga-enyere gị aka you understand how things work in creation. Ọkwa dị mkpa every Monday and Wednesday bụ ụbọchị anyị ji ekwupi okwu na temple anyị ji achụ àjà usoro ọkụ kwubie okwu ya na ụbọchị anyị ji eme kanseling enwekwara ike isonyere anyị keta oke na aja ya mgbe anyị na-achụ every Monday and Wednesday. You can connect from anywhere all over the world. Any mba nwoke nwere iche east chee ihu na east maka the temple dị na east chee ihu na ọwụwa anyanwụ ebe ọ bụla ị nọ yọzie Chukwu okike na mmụọ niile nọ n'Ugochi Tubelu na temple ha biko ha kwekọ iketa oke na aja a chụrụ na ụfọdụ niile a gọrọ n'ụbọchị ahụ nke bụ isiokwu bụ na it work like magic. Ọhụ ọtụ ndị na-enye testimony ana m anọ na temple ọtụ ndị mmadụ a na-ese ndị ego na ha na-esonyere m na connect and ihe ọma na-emere Any now we depend on what you believe. The problem of the man in the world, the man knows how to limit themselves. Yes. Then, while it's no present, let me know. I'll give you direction. Because of what's able, HF Nanaja, I took over December. January gave you January 6th. Was in the 19th, 14 good days. Then I saw you be a the Amago case, the Manamaki Wabojo. Ah, Jayana, a Jambunia, a Jeputi, a Jessica, the Awe Buyon the Madden. Key I need no one is in a jabo. If you have 3 prayer requests, then the mail donation token to the account number. A chat is now was up. I was saying other details. I need it from you. Can we get book kiss on Andaga to Ajadisia? Over for 14 days. Cannot know woman. I had a share testimony. Man, didn't say I marry her name at temple. Oh, no. So, if you want to WhatsApp, send them message on WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. I repeat 0805 7837 672. Then, I buy any high HF. I don't have to share. Almost some of our fans all over the globe, Niger, Elota. I got 131st. The first I get this double gift. Now, also, I get her transfer. They got back on that temple. All gifts and I get no one that get a catch gift, no one that get gift to this, she can rise and the rest of them. Can't get men Ugochi to on that temple on the first. Yes. Then, he also sent to Makia Webia. Here, Marvel. Over in the video, I decided that. Yes, we are taking notes of all the effort of our fans all over the globe. Then, this show why Dibia, Ekurumna, Noble engaging in crime, nso-ana, either maybe word can never make you rich. And will he have fun? Eotaria, and will have fun. Now, those engaging in them, trying to that because you want to be rich. Now, you engage yourself in committing crimes, then I think it's any years there when we go ask. Let me get how things work. On the wood, not something man does not understand how things work in creation. Therefore, creating false impression. Kent. If for he have a character. Only gas careful exactly the same mark, the same line, the same record. All these records. What do you yes. They merely heard about palmistry. We understand, we tell you more. But I can tell you, now even if that study the palmistry, cannot even tell you exactly up to 50% of what you understand. But one appear distance from the spiritual angle. I want to check akaraka. Yes. You are working with so many things. Can marry that. I will not mad. The man cousin man like your mad. You were what you of man. I will not mad. More, I'm a conquer. Yes, I'm on Mobosinquo. I'm on December 1, December 1st. Meaning Nambu Conquo, but Hendocha or Sagittarius. About all they call the spiritual strength and the characteristics. Nejirimal, Demo Sagittarius. You can go to Google and Google it. Yes. When I blow my trumpet, go and Google it. That is 1. 2. And well, more the entities of powers that get themselves involved in Obosion work, in Igbo spirituality. Yes. And well, the forces of nature that work in harmony with Nko spirits. And well, entities of the Igbo calendar agwa gị Igbo kalenda nwere Monday Eke Orie Afọ Nkwọ. Yes, Nkwọ bụ ana represent the Mother Earth. Now enwelu mmụọ dị iche iche n'afọ maka the changes in atmosphere. That is among them is called. Okay, can we use calendar ma? Can we the Roman calendar? I want to get let's say August. August was I celebrate is Augustus. Yes. So this month in Afo we're there and then after. Northern Igbo, Mokaro Onwa Hajioku. One way just celebrate Ezeana and so on and so forth. Yes. So Obo na Amogi Opposite Sagittarius. Amo no 1 December. Never Sagittarius. Onwelo the radiation of the sun. Oh, among them is called Onwelo the angelo get to go the suns. They active on that time. Amonoge. They are the ones that the spirits that ushered you to earth. I'm not going to choose the day you enter earth. And well, the forces not behind it. Yes, those forces are not behind. Obromwa usher on Bosenko. And well, the forces is again. Now, Bosenko, we the spirits of Unko that works in Unko day are welcoming you to this gross material, the earth. So you have to have that. I want to link with them because I work in harmony with them. I have link with them. That's why they are the troop in mass to welcome me to this gross material. And then to guys will work in conjunction with money than you can on 1 December. I think I wouldn't can do a Sagittarius, but I need already Hana. On Wabuna, that 13 months soon I need over somewhere on Waro. About who they was on 1 January. We're on Waro. Yes. No one had Joku. One and so on and so forth. So over here now has length. But I don't know Sagittarius. I'm on funny one about my Sagittarius, my Libra, my Gemini, my Scorpio, and the rest of them. My Spire and so on. So here I check over again, but those the radiation and the forces and the natural vibrations, they're very active on that day I was born. How link with it. Now, this by Akaraka now shows everything. If, like this, my Akaraka now shows that I will live a very long life. You know, so you can go see the science and so enwelo science whether I'm organized, I need that what come somebody hear me. Now, it can only play in your life if you live according to the dictates of nature. If you play according to the rule and why you are here on earth. Don't try to be faster than the other shadow. It's not engage in a crime. Key where as smart, they are the more rich. If I have an Eze-Ana 12. If you go to commit a crime, that millions they can and when they got all your kidney, and we got all your heart, we got all your name or one naggy, something will come and wipe away that money from your hands because you are not destined to live as a millionaire, at least at that point in time. Or they go the mother, but I wish no only it's a force is in the shogi. As long as at that point in time is not destined time for you to be successful and rich, no matter what you do, it will never come to pass. And when that karaka happen at early time, at 20-something, have to go millionaire. And when they the karaka have done to Magdon Malone, when that karaka have when he got to something all over millionaire. Even in a normal way, maybe in a gadget at the age of 75 on one. When they got a cabin here, when he got about that, all over 50-something years, or the car got the first million. When that can have that money. The money will come at the first million account over at age of 70. More when he come on Ogia, or no from no one man on Mata. Only Tubelu also, war you know. A beer, the man is about 80 years now. 1 year and I'm going to beer. One year, Murupia. Now, 1 year, my young rebels, but with the Zedicasia no chip, higher. Still, what do you? I don't say you know, say I must see also. It's me or the other some months back. And I. So you live in large. Get that. When I eat again, I will monthly pay. You want to know when I have a who want my emma. God was sorry for another day. So you're not check a while ago. Now, on day, you have your destiny. Let me warn you. They do wrong life. They live above 90, eh? Man, out of your own selfishness, or because you are a prodigal son, you decide to play against natural laws, you will die young. Engage yourself in kidnapping, get yourself in robbery, get yourself, my dear, forget about your character, you will die young. You know why? You abandon the original plan by nature for you and enter what we call fast lane. Believe me, you die fast, irrespective of what nature holds for you. Let me one of us. I want to call your barrier. Prodigal son, what I could. This is what I can possibly may inherit. I don't know what I can need. Or look at that same part of the officer. Go the boutique, I was in their care. Oh, well, putting and down for a day, and they couldn't finish it. Diego. Of the tower for so even years in Eri. Till more of I only recognize going here. Was you know, living the limit in Asabana, Benia, Eri Juafo, where I can ask Gayon before. Those living now worry, no, even years before. Now, fully now, Otalo was self-made. Self-made. Only one way make the work or thousands of. Had they been, he remained in his father's kingdom. Remain a good child. Okay, I don't go get near a child who had their over. Okay, that alpha water. So, because that alpha water is not necessary, it's avoidable. So, some of you, alpha and is as a result of leaving the track. You left the track, yes, it's purposely why you are here. Some of you engage in so many crimes. Let me give an example. Some boys, only one boy consult. Just a boy of 26 years, but he's going after a sugar daddy, sugar mommy of 50 years. My dear, what is the problem? There will house challenge. There will sugar mommy and at least no, you can't see yourself con. Then you can do business. Therefore, he is committing crime of sleeping with a married woman. He knew so well that that woman is a married woman. But on the channel through crime, go against you about poverty. In homology, no, you're going to let get a go there. The hand to Carobia. He can never achieve success by committing crime. Some of these people here are going to go there, might kidnapping more, go there, buy into crime, armed robbery, and the rest of them. Believe in me, how an Eze-Ana. Some of them will die in the jungle. Some of them that manage to get one small thing, that peanut, will eventually die. Because you know why? Because some of them will get. Upon you go 10 million, we show no one can save them. Oh, we go with the guy, we go with kidney problem, more heart disease, more near problem, more wanted, more that car will go, and we're problem. Before you know it, that money vanish. Yeah, an Eze-Ana. You know why? Because he is not originally destined to live large as a millionaire. You know what I mean? Now, can I mean my go for it? Oh, what do you go with a young lady? Ezeana, this lady, noble Ogaranya. No, Ogaranya one, call one you walk around. I don't know, go, but I know where more than a dear walk. Come on, my Lolo, yes, my wife is a Lolo. Take it or leave it. Understand? Yes. So whatever I have, she has it too. You understand? But definitely, how can you go her mates? Yes, by marriage. Or mother or destiny, yeah. Destiny made it up like that. Understand? Because even when I was searching, or not at the picture, you understand? So, but for nowhere, the nature made it possible that she's the choosing one. You understand? Yes. So, I check a while again, it will, despite the effort of so many other people might have tried using their personal intelligence. Can't what he had nowhere. You understand? Come on, that. I want to let's say that Chigi Deronega Abunwanye got counting millions. Ni homa game melege. They got Sunando Woma at age of 25. If you properly live your life, believe in me, before that 25, you will see favor. When you get somebody in your connection get paid. Or when you get somebody and you get so many things when you can in your live well large. I remember when I was telling about the story of Angela Wosu. You see the pictures of years back. Now see Angela Wosu of today. If them were great changes. And not somebody case in IKEA when we can activate here the gift she has. That gift that one well. You don't whatever the ego. Now, Malo one debo no diha game eze. Debo chi mele meze. Or never. Okay, I won't know why you cheated and she no get I game eze at the age of 25. Or I was no what I want your name is lead there. Or where you buy rush. Only come over no bro no makawa like oh mukelegia. So or was no joy balance. The one in the 4 years cause away near one last summer figure 8 and then where you all man I want to work his bone can for you. You want to work here 50,000 naira if one young work a leg ndị ọya enweta abụ ndị anyị ọ bụrụ nweta onye nwere ego na onye nwere obi nye gị ka na-akọwara gị and there was something not behind it. Ọ bụrụ na destiny gị na-ebu na ada ga-eme gị eze ị ga-afụ onye ahụ ọnụ obi lụọrụ gị ụlọ ọnụ obi jụọ kiri ihe ọ gara like bụ ka o invest ya in you something that will remain permanent. O nwere ike ịzụ na school, o nwere ike isi gị kedu business ị chọrọ ka emepele gị first class boutique mepere gị. O nwere ike gonye moto, o nwere ike jụ ụlọ enwere ụlọ bịa nna gị ọ lụọ ọrụ gị ụlọ. Ọ dịkwa anụghị anụ o mee ihe ndị dị etu a eme ihe ọdọrọ ji wee dị possible. Ihe o ji dị possible bụ na ihe ọnwụ na ọgwa nwoke emerie bụ na ọ dị ya n'akara aka na a ga-eme ya eze. O nwere ike o bido runs at age of 18. At age of 24 a man will come into her life. Before he net at age of 25 the man arụ ọrụ unu go rie moto merie nke ọzọ emegi eze of 1 million na account ya. Ọ bụrụ because of runs. Ọ bụrụ because of runs. After a honey pot your water ego ọ bụrụ honey pot nyere the time. Ọ bụrụ runs nyere kama na ọ dịge na akara aka na ga-eme ya eze at 25. Ị nwere ike ị na-ene onye dị etu anya isi ka ije banye runs maka ihe na ya nwajere. Ị gbarazi na oke soro ngwere ma mmiri ọkụ nwere ọya aka oke kpọọ bụ isi gbara arụbat isi ke na arụbat ọwa ofu ime ọnụ ebe a ka o si mmadụ niile ọya bụ ọgaranya. Mgbe i jezere etu anwa ihe anyị emezi egwu nwata nwaanyị ojeta uru o nwere ike tizie ka asị na akwụnakwụna. Ọ bụrụ akwụnakwụna na ọ na destiny ya okwu na onye a ga-eme eze achọwa onye a ga-eme eze mee ya eze ka destiny ekwu na a ga-eme ya eze. So isi na ka ije banye na crime maka na onye apaịrị maka na ịkpọ ọ bụ isi gbara arụbat isi ka na arụbat abụrụ ofu gị na enwere the same destiny. Ọ bụrụ na onye si ka onye banye na crime o nwere eje banye na kidnapping ma armed robbery ụbọchị ahụ ọ ga-eme nnọọ na-achọ ka akwụọ ya nnukwu ụgwọ ụbọchị ahụ ka a ga-agbara ya debe n'ala oji ụbọchị ahụ ka a ga-enwute ndị otu ya nago ofuru ha ga-enwute maka destiny edesel na that millions ga-abịa ya aka. O nwere ike ọ bagoro ya aka ma ya eri na the money, nwere ike butegoro the money eru ebe ahụ enwee fracas for it egbuo ma ọ na-abịa arrange that money ahụ o lebọrọ for nwere ya because the destiny ya bụrụ na ọ ga-enwe millions. O nwere ike ọ bụzie na onye destiny ya bụ na nwata nwoke a n'oge a ga-eme ya eze na age of 30 mana because of na o bidoro n'oge bidube ihe bụ destiny ya all the coolest for the one instead of ibido na early age yawa build be think wa kedu ka mmesi do maybe creative creator ka mmesi we buy into this one we baro onwe m ụlọ chọba ihe bụ akara aka ya be in that line awụ na asị na ọ ga-abụ na ga-eme eze age of 30 kebe eziokwu before age of 30 a ga-provide the opportunity at the age of 30 eme ya eze. E nwere ike nọkịta kpọọ onye asị abịa sipọta onye ya nyere ya aka just like that etinye n'ihe a na-eme. O nwere ike zie nyere ya aka awa onye nọ n'akụkụ nwere ike na-asị ya n'ọkụ maka ọkụ na onye a ji ezigbo ochi ma o mewe ihe a ma o mewe kidnapping ka o ji wee nwee ego. Ọ bụrụ ọmụrụ na destiny onye ọbụla ha ga-eme ya eze onye ka onye mee ihe that person mere gbuo ya ọnwụ o nwetagoro ego ya nwetagota millions anyị nwere maka n'ihi na emere ya na ọma elivu ka eze ọma bụ ori ka eze maka ihi ya o nwere ike nweta ya ofu ya atụọ ya ofu nke eme ya ma o mee nne ihe ya take that money away from him will come. Emere ka o live life as eze at least at that point in time. Mana ka destiny si eme ihe ya destiny nwere ka o si alụ ọlụ destiny o nwere ike bụ ihe ị na-alụ for ị mara how to go about it mana elekọta nature nwere ike mekọta gịnị provide the opportunity for that. Let me give you an example. Early this year producing movie is not in my agenda. Although not threatening you for the year and when me na for each year. Yes, the third thing you for this year fulfill me before August. Car go doors and dusted as again. The third thing you on January 1, 2022. Now August came as we. So even those are amazing from that August to now, Jara. I don't mean John mad. My neighbor got some, I think, let's say 2 months back. With a message to take this administration to another level of come sponsor movie. Yes, but I'm not told them what money that I benefit by watching him. But actually, some of this ordinary thing that is happening through life stories. Kaitinya na acting of film so that Nigerians not like carry act film. Only we can watch that film, see about what the lesson. My husband, yeah, watch over the director, not direct film. What somebody, there could be a price. And then the script. The script is actually my story. Now, guys, the video. And then I go the script. It will interest you to know that that film, man on him, yeah, yeah, because it's my story. So I'm very active in that film. Now, after Kamu Kusidia, one of my friends, all this year, Bruno, according to him, one on a web longing for writing scripts and into movie and stuff like that. But for any reason, one thing led to the other, he came across me, we became friends. Well, not last night, we were similar. They are not a movie. They are interested that this has been her passion for a very long time. I understand that. And because as the speed permits, automatically a slot anyhow will be made available for him to participate in that movie. So, according to him, he has been having this passion of writing scripts, but believe in me, through me, he will be able to see the script, movie script for the first time. So he will study it and seeing what another script writer, another person who wrote the script of the movie. Then, all you see now, what a different idea of every script that If you're not going to line, from there, automatically, all my cinema monoga, I will use that movie. From there, you are not okay, not the one who can. And my check quality to say, I can tell you, nobody gets some most back before Malamon will come on or the bag are possible. At least so fast like this. And my check out the nature. Even when somebody from nowhere help you, nature program it. Nature program that you know to agafu. Man, here is simple. In on the right lane, he make sure that when that opportunity present themselves, that you will not abuse it. Magani when he came, you on a fast lane. Nature catch you go here in our system. Man, you go opportunity, we create that opportunity. Get a man to make up business, he might be honest. Therefore, the person will cease and swear not to help you again. Then it's here to spare one. They'll go get your name again. And my check what hearing that destiny. And hearing that destiny again come to pass. More live according to the destiny, according to natural laws. Because hearing that this will come to Nakaga, where he represent the hearing nigga passing through what we call your way and how you end. Or your meaning. The beginning and end of your life. At least this present life. Because you have no next earth life in where you can wear different earth clock. That is it would also walk at the kid manka. So you will never engage in crime, thinking that crime or shortcut. No. Because that yeah, I was shortcut, I was shortcut. Onye buruchi ụzọ ọgbagbuo onwe ya n'ọsọ. Mgbe ọbụla ị na-achọ ka ije live against ihe na ya destiny, you always hit the rock. Never you engage in crime, any crime. Ihe bụ iwu ọdịnala. Ise ka ị daa ya ka o wee dịrị gị mma, I can tell you na ọ ma datara gị mma n'ụbụrụ na ya. Ebe nwa nwaanyị nọ na ji echi na anọ ka ime ya ka ị gbawa n'ilo ka ị wee nweta ego iji azụ ụmụazị. It doesn't work that way. Enwere nke n'ike nwụ na destiny wụ n'ụwa mgbede na nwa gị ka ezigbote ọgọ ya abatabe gị bịaficha gị anya mmiri, mana ị nwere ike iji aka gị mebie ya bụ opportunity enyere gị. Ị nwere ike isi na ya si mba ka ije gbawa akwụnakwụna ijikwa ụmụazị. Ịgbawa akwụnakwụna o nwere ike dacha akwụnakwụna life ị na-anọ n'ịba na ya nwere ike ịkọsụ ya life nke bụ na ị ma adịzi ndụ mgbe dat nnukwu ọgọ ya abata na ngwurube gị danụ nwa gị nwaanyị. The man how Kama is a bitch. Kama will always return. Whatever you deserve will come. This is not going to say, boy, he's up like Albat. Like any second Albat, that proof. Shape is second Albat, that proof. I wouldn't want to boy, he's up like Albat, dog, if it. So, what am I saying? Work can he hold on a son? Money honey hold on a son. Don't do it. Maumara say, Ebro, you know, Unasagi. You want against a get back again every again and ask what. But no way lesbian. Ebro, why? So I get a better Spanish go and then they go. Moko wears all that school. Rubbish. Because all you go to school, you remember all. Because each and all through shortcoming. If there are crime, I can't hear my head. More always a kid in a woman mother. As a sugar boy. Care what they go keep with that. I feel Amaga. On one day, may succeed there, that's going to have roof. The most important thing is always live a good life. However, don't be lazy. Our Monday, create time for your spiritual exercise and wait unto God. Make your spiritual exercise. Anyone lazy. Obu no when you hear now, Joe all obuna. You go? Joe all obuna. Ogbuefi overall. Oh, when na factory. We all have a pack. The lowest people are not police body. We don't want to hear pack pure water. I go to Ghana. You go to Ghana. But I'm going to manifest. And they get marriage definitely on your name place. Then manage that one. And when you more when I'm through, on your name good, I will still do it for them. What is important in Jamugolo, and okay, some of them are one hand on a they will not know me. But because the hand on one decided that they not get that drum, it must start somewhere when you go over there, but one as an Mano Berego. Get yourself busy. It will keep in and that all out with passion. More than the get a opta or they gather meeting at point of need. From there, change the honor. Or somebody, this guy or this girl, too intelligent, you know, they're better to control a better place. Never you engage in crime. Maki in nature, you change their condition. If we change their condition to the warrior, that you got war, I'm at the Naka. I wouldn't go to matter, but I be so no one is saved at the end of the day. But one of chicken is with a morgan as Afro as a millionaire. Believe in me, that your money will not come to millions. You will not sustain that millionaire life. Because you hear where the money will come to make sure they brought millionaire. Even in their works here on the Naka. So he gave me about also. However, develop your spiritual strength because now she give also now communicate very well with your entities of powers and the forces of nature that came to this world with you. Because they are the ones that are the horsepower, the force behind you. They are the forces that will help you to achieve all that you are doing. You know, not engage in crime. Crime does not pay. On top with you, what a million star with you, whether that millions will sustain you in that millionaire life. If it's not, you are not there, the time it will not sustain. Either you will or no something. You may back to square one. You know what I mean? Can't try to call again. What the heck are they saying, madam? Now, one more. I think what lazy. Mark my lips. Read my lips. Don't be lazy. You must get yourself involved in some legitimate work. Yes. Then what is your spiritual life? Back it up. Okay, I again. In the next video, in one to more than it's a gabal family. More we hope on a day more than Igbo. Feel free to chat me. Ogbuefi Ezeana, Ugochi Tubelu, Oraifite. Welcome. Send the other message at 0805 78 37 672. Again, 0805 78 37 672. In the next video, to Saturday and Dosa. Oga Adequate Udioga, HD 31st by 9 a.m. Yaga Zeron. In the video, check Saturday and Denny. And the other magazine. Now, I took work and kept me in the Canadian Area. And one more cousin is in the Bundan, friends of the temple. Carabo every human spirit that is under the influence of my voice right now, all over the globe. I am my yon is Hanina. See nobody tar won't quote that what I Homa. The Homa game, Dinny, another not their track that leads to their destiny. Let them be guided back to their destiny so that they will be able to meet their destiny helper. Ask them never will know another. Monday no room, Monday no leave. Distance will never be a barrier. Now I took work and keep me here. Ask them can go see get you work. Nanda Jalo get you na gari them Mazutaha no gawa. Manyara Haka bring their destiny helper to them. Makomo na and the guy had also no dinner at all. Came with the Yomadi teacher, following the shortcut. Let them know. Nozo, Adonozo Hasi. May they receive help. Uplift, working and wine, draining under the influence of my voice. Let them be guided. Now I had to work if you can bring me here. Only can in the Sinaki Abia. Yagasia. No form.